If you are looking for a budget home cinema experience, you should get these two products, the Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd Gen and Magcubic HY300 Pro Projector. That's what I did. One place to get these items at a lower price is AliExpress, the online shopping marketplace. In this video, we will be setting up the Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd Gen and Magcubic HY300 Pro Projector as a streaming home cinema combo solution. Shopping at AliExpress is amazing when you join their Cashback challenge. Are you ready to turn your add to cart into add to bank account? Hold on to your wallets, folks, because the AliExpress Cashback challenge is here to pay you to shop. Here's the deal. Join my team, and every time you shop on AliExpress, you'll get 5 to 15% cashback, like a loyalty program, but way juicier. The more you spend, the more they send back to you. In addition, you can also use my exclusive discount codes to save more. And the best part, you could snag up to $1,500 in cashback. That's not a typo. That's basically a shopping spree funded by your past shopping sprees. Check the link in description to join the squad before time runs out. If you have AliExpress shopping credits, you can check the status or balance in the app. Shopping credits are located under the user account. Let's earn your cashback now. Joining the AliExpress Cashback Challenge is easy. Just click the link in this video description or scan the QR code on the screen. Now let's get into the video. This is the Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd Gen product box. You get a Xiaomi TV box, a remote control, HDMI cable, power adapter, and product information documents. This is the Magcubic Projector product box. Here, you get a Magcubic HY300 Pro Projector, a power adapter, remote control, and a user manual. This is everything needed to set up a simple home cinema solution. Now let's set up the Magcubic Projector. Connect the provided power adapter and turn on the power switch. The projector is too close to the wall, that's why it is blurred. Let me move it a little further and the projection display gets clearer. The first thing to do is to connect this projector to a Wi-Fi internet connection. You can type in the password using the remote and on-screen keyboard. Or you can use a USB-connected mouse or keyboard, which makes it more convenient. Once the Wi-Fi is connected, the display will enter the projector's Android home screen. As you can see here, some apps are already pre-installed such as Netflix, Disney Plus, and YouTube. I can log into these apps and stream media directly using the projector alone, but the interface is very basic. That is why I'm going to use the Xiaomi TV Box with Google TV with this projector. Media input for this Magcubic projector can be from HDMI or USB. This projector already has some apps pre-installed. You can install more apps from its App Store or Google Play Store. For the Play Store, you will need to log into a Google account. Once logged in, you can access and install a lot more media and entertainment apps. Now let's set up this Xiaomi TV Box. Connect the power and HDMI output to a display such as TV and turn on power. The Google TV Box will boot, and the first step is to pair the remote control, then select language and select your region or country. Next step is to log into a Wi-Fi network connection. Once the internet is connected, you will need to log into a Google account. Go through the setup steps as prompted and make your choices or selections. Here, you can select more streaming services apps to be installed on the initial setup. Of course, you can install them later too. The Xiaomi Box also has energy-saving modes to choose from. I chose Optimized, which is the recommended setting. Depending on the app selections, the setup time can vary. When the setup completes, you get some optional features that you can configure. Once done, go to Google TV. And this is the Google TV interface for this Xiaomi TV Box. Now that we have both the Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd Gen and the Magcubic HY300 Pro setup, we can connect both of them for our cinema experience. Connect a HDMI cable from Xiaomi TV Box to the Magcubic projector. Power on the projector, and you will get the projector Android home screen. Here, navigate to the HDMI input option and select it. And now, power on the Xiaomi TV Box. The TV Box is now booting up, and when it's done, you are now seeing the Xiaomi Android TV home screen projected on the wall. Here are all the streaming apps installed in this Google TV Box. I selected them during the initial setup process. Netflix, Prime Video, Paramount Plus, and then the Australian apps 9 Now, 7 Plus, 10, ABC iView, and SBS On Demand. You can add more apps here, and you can also rearrange the icons. Xiaomi TV Plus app comes pre-installed in this box. This is a free live TV app with a number of channels that I am not familiar with. There is a TV guide which displays the TV programs, and it is easy to use. The box comes with a Miracast app. This allows you to wirelessly cast any Miracast-compatible device to the Xiaomi TV box. To watch 4K quality streaming media from services such as Netflix, Prime, and Disney+, a device needs to be certified with DRM Level 1. This Xiaomi TV box is certified L1 and can play high-definition streaming media. If you need discounted Netflix or other services, check the link in description or comment section. And yes, you can use a web browser in this TV box as you are seeing here. This official Google TV interface is very easy to use. At the top, the current tab is for you, where the interface combines movies and shows from different streaming services in one place, making it easy to discover media that otherwise we might not search for. This is the Movies tab to discover movies. The Shows tab for TV shows or series. The Apps tab for installed apps or finding new apps. And this is the Library, which is currently empty. Overall, my budget home cinema was easy to set up and use. The projected media quality is pretty decent. The Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd Gen and Magcubic HY300 Pro Projector make a great home entertainment combo. Both are available on AliExpress at reasonable prices. Make sure to check the links I've provided. That's all for this review, and I hope this video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.